Hello students, we are back with class 11th, chapter 2nd, relation and function, and we are going to do topic function of chapter number 2. Now first of all, what is a function? It is a special type of relation in which every element of domain set has a unique image in codomain set, where the meaning in other language we can say every element of domain set is connected with one element of codomain set. Now let A is a set given by 1, 2, 3 and set B is given by x, y, z. F is a function defined from A to B is given by 1x, 2z and 3y. If we represent them with the help of an arrow diagram, A contain 1, 2, 3 domain set and B contain x, y, z elements of codomain set. 1 is connected with x, 2 is connected with z and 3 is connected with y. If you see here, these are domain set A and B is known as codomain set here. Here elements used are known as domain of set A and elements of B are known as range set elements. Every element from A to B are connected with single and they are known as image. Means elements of codomain are used are known as image and elements of domain set which are in use are known as pre-image elements. There is a link between them. Domain set element, pre-image and codomain set elements are known as image. Now F is represented like this: 1x, 2z, 3y in tabular form. We can say roster form. Here domain, so we can say from here also directly inputs 1, 2, 3 and outputs are known as range x, z, y. We can write in sequence, otherwise as it is, no change. Now we are going to discuss different type of methods to write them. First one is the roster form, as we have discussed in chapter first. It is also known as tabular form, as we have discussed example 1, 3, 2, 2 and 3, 4. This is roster form, otherwise we can say tabular form. Next, set builder form, otherwise we can say rule method. We have done in first chapter. AB is an element such that AB belongs to rational number where condition is A minus B belongs to integer. Third type, by formula. We can say an example: AB belongs to natural number, A minus 2B should be equal to 0. Next type, by arrow diagram, means graphical method we can say also, in which we use two circles, one on the left hand side for domain set and on the right hand side codomain set, and we show their linked element with each other. Next type is given by graph, means as we done in 10th class, graphical method. Here we have x is equal to y. It means both are same. So graph comes between x-axis and y-axis in the center of it. Next type. Now we are going to discuss different type of functions. Here first type of function is real valued function. As the word comes, it means input and outputs are real numbers. That's why the name of the function is real valued function. Next type of function, that is polynomial function. As the name is polynomial, so f of x is a polynomial given by, for example, x square plus 6x plus 5 here. Next type of polynomial we are taking here rational function. As you know, rational means p by q form, so rational function should be of type p by q. Here x plus 1 divided by 3x minus 5, where denominator cannot be 0, there is a restriction. Next type of function is odd function. Here the odd means not odd power. Here f of x is given by, for example, x cube. How can we check? If we change x by minus x, after changing we get f of minus x is negative of original. Next type of function is even function. In this, if we change x by minus x, there is no effect on function, it remains same. So this is even function, we can check here. Next type of function is identity function. Here identity means input and output both are same. We can say f of x is equal to x. Otherwise we can say like doublet of a number in which domain and range are same. Next, constant function. As the word is constant means if we change the value of x, answer does not change. For example, if we change x by 0, answer does not change. Next type of function is linear function. Linear means degree of variable is 1, like this, ax plus b is equal to y. Next type of function is absolute value function. Absolute value means always positive. It has two values, as it is when x greater than 0, negative of value when x less than 0. Why we take like this? If we see here x greater than 0, if we put x is equal to 1, answer change is not there. Input output are same like doublet. If we use x less than 0 means negative value, it is minus of x. If we put here minus 1, if we simplify here, due to negative sign we get plus 1. If we use here x is equal to minus 2, due to minus sign symbol change. It means because the meaning of modulus of x is absolute value, so range is always positive. Domain may be negative, may be positive. Next is our greatest integer. This is the important type of function. This is the symbol for it, square bracket like. The way to use it for complete value, either positive or negative, there is no change. For positive value, positive answer. For negative value, negative answer. In case of fraction, we have to identify with the help of a number line. So we draw a number line, indicates the points first and locate them. 2.9 closer to 3 and minus 1.9 just right side of minus 2. Here answer of greatest integer in case of fraction just first left integer. So answer of minus 2.9 become 2 and minus 1.9 become minus 2. Next type of function is our least integer. This is also important one. It is just change, only downside there is no closure symbol. For complete value, complete number, same as it is for greatest integer. For positive, answer is positive. For negative, it is negative. But in case of fraction, we write here right side according to number line, first integer. For greatest integer, left value. For the least integer, first right side value. Next is our fractional function. It is given by as the word fraction. X minus greatest integer x. This is the function type. Is a fractional function as the word. Answer should be fraction. Input, we know that domain, it is always real number, but output is like a fraction. As you know, fraction means lowest value 0, but it cannot be 100%, means less than 1. Next type of function, it is given by signum function. Symbol for this is given by sign. In bracket, variable we indicate. Domain in this case is real number. We can write like this to understand. It is 1 for all positive values of x, -1 for all negative value, but for x is equal to 0, that is 0. So range is here -1, +1 and 0. Next is our power function. As it is indicated, power of a variable. We are taking example like x square. So this is all type